Hey, I'm Gareth from Park Cameras, and today we've got our hands on the brand new Sigma 60 to 600mm for a first look. Let's see what it can do. Okay, so we got a little bit of hands-on time with the new Sigma 60 to 600 f4.5 to f6.3, so we were able to just test it out. Now, this is the world's first 10 times optical zoom telephoto lens with a tele end of 600mm, and it really is very impressive to be able to go from 60mm, having a slightly wider shot of things, certainly at least by comparison, and then zooming into 600mm in one motion. Obviously it's perfect for things like wildlife and sports. It lets you just completely stay out of the way and get nice and close in your subject. And it also allows you to completely isolate the subject in the frame. One thing we did notice is the image quality is great right the way through the lens. It's nice and sharp at 60, all the way through to being nice and sharp at 600mm. It looks great. Now, as you'd imagine, the lens is pretty big. It's pretty heavy as well. That's something you'd definitely expect from something with this kind of focal range, but it's worth being aware of. It really is an extremely versatile lens to have in your kit bag. Being able to go from 60 all the way up to 600 really gives you a lot of options with how you want to shoot. We're very excited to get some more hands-on time with it, but in the meantime, keep it locked to Park Cameras. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.